Hey guys, welcome back to Manic Family Farm. Just picked up some scrap food from an event my wife handled. And then feeding it out to the chickens. And then the ducks. So we've had a couple questions regarding our eggs and stuff. If we give scrap food to them, and here is your answer. I actually just gave them fresh water, fresh hot water. It's about 50, 60 degrees inside of here. We've had about, I don't know, it's hard to say. I think it was like in the 20s with 20 plus mile an hour winds majority of the day. Sun's out. We had 24 eggs yesterday between the two sets. But it's gonna be a nice busy time. We got I gotta go down, order a delivery for the rest of the fencing material from the back 3 acres. Got to pick up cated in sheep next month. Let's see, March, April. In April, I'm picking up pigs in North Carolina that are all pasture raised. Then those will be between feeders for us, and then also to grow out and then breed 2 of them. We didn't pick up a boar, so we're right now, until we get a big customer base and stuff, we're just going to do AI, which I will show videos of. The ducks are a little bit more curious, or skittish. We will be butchering a good handful of the male ducks, the drakes. We hatched, I think, like 19 out originally or something like that, compared to our original 7, I think. I don't remember. And then we picked up 3 more, and then a couple died. We had a Muscovy actually take out 1 or 2 of our peckins, but we'll be butchering a few of them. Don't need to feed them, but then on top of that, they will start to get mating fever, territorial, and start picking on one another. But left everybody the open feeders. That's about 30 gallons. I think it holds about 250 pounds worth of feed. Everybody's plumped up nice for winter. These guys will actually get butchered this coming fall. We have 50 meat birds on order. Yeah, 50 meat birds, chickens. We have 25 new egg layers on order. Same order, we have 2 different heritage breeds of 3 turkeys each, and then we have 10 broad-breasted white turkeys on order for meat for us, and also start selling. So if you're interested, let us know. If you want a big order of something, we do all the processing here. legally we are allowed to up to, I think it's like 1,100 birds or something ridiculous, more than I ever want to do here. But yeah, let us know whether it's turkeys, chickens, whatever. If you want us to hatch out some ducks for you, let us know. We still have the incubator, so if we need more or anyone wants some, let us know. And then, but yeah, you can always ask. And if we don't, we don't. We do. It's great for everybody. But yeah, if you got any questions, let us know. Hit us up in the comments. Hit that like and subscribe. And stick around for the next videos. It's got a lot going on in these next couple months. It's going to be busy. The yard's going to be a swamp. We just got 3.5 inches of rain the other day after the ice decided to melt. Then it struck below -0, or below 0 and a minus, as far as temperature. So it's a little bit different swing. Got to make some sheep houses and stuff. I already got a pig farrowing hut made out. So when we pick up the the feeders, they'll go in there for a day or two. No, that's home. Then we'll train them to 2-wire electric, and then we'll also do the same with the sheep. Might not have the fence up by then, but if I do, great. If not, they will go into the chickens' poultry electric netting from Premier One that you've seen before on our stuff. But yeah, stick around, see those, check us out. Let us know if you got any questions, comments, concerns, want something, whatever. Thanks, guys.